Hi, I'm Rich Morse with Stabila. Today we're going to talk about our accessories in real job site conditions. I have over 30 years experience in the field. So today we're going to try to save you as much time and labor as possible. Today we're going to be showing you a demo with our concrete bracket, our concrete receiver form bracket, a mini tripod because the LA180 and the LA90 will shoot in a horizontal mode. The other accessory to use is our grade rod with a receiver bracket, which comes in your kit. Let's go ahead and get started. This is our concrete form bracket that attaches to the laser. You could either attach this to your concrete forms, footing boards, or batter boards. Today I'm going to demonstrate it going onto some batter boards. Simply loosen up these threaded bolts and drop it right over your batter board. Slide it up right onto your surveyor's pin and clamp it down. Once you have that snugged up, go ahead and take your laser and drop it over to the pin. I've already put our adapter on there that mounts to our standard tripod mount. Go ahead and just finger tight it for now until we can get it properly aligned. We'll go ahead and turn the laser on, and we're going to adjust it right over our surveyor's pin. Once you have it on your surveyor's pin, go ahead and snug it all up. The next step would be to take the receiver and put it down on your batter board. Let's do that step next. Now you'll place your receiver on the B pin. This is the opposite side of the laser. Line the receiver over the pin, and now we're going to dial in the laser. We're going to manually tune it in until we hear a solid tone on the receiver. Now you're fully aligned. It's that simple. Another accessory I want to talk about is our rechargeable battery pack. It comes with a 110 cord, so if the battery went dead, you would still have the ability to plug it in and charge it. Simply remove your existing battery tray and replace it with the rechargeable battery. The pack slides directly in there. It's an exact replacement for the D batteries. You could go ahead and plug in the 110 charger and run it right off an extension cord. This is a great accessory to add to your laser to get the most life out of your batteries. This is our concrete receiver bracket. What this is going to allow you to do is set this right over your footing boards, whether you're framing footings or slabs. This will be the most efficient way you could possibly frame a footing. It eliminates the use for dry lines. Once you set your receiver on here, we're going to determine our control line from our surveyor's pins. Surveyor's pin A and surveyor pin B. What that'll do is give us one straight control line. We'll auto-align our laser, the LA180, and that's going to establish a 90. Remember, this laser has a range of over 300 feet. I'm going to grab the bracket and put the laser receiver right on top of our form bracket. The receiver for the LA90 has a magnet on the back, which you could simply place it right onto the form bracket. That will hold it in place either way. You would simply align the center line to the edge of your batter board or your forms, either direction. It's that simple. So we're going to take the concrete receiver bracket and we're going to put it right on top of our concrete footing board. I'm going to get it in place. The next thing you want to do is make sure your receiver is in line with the inside of the concrete board by adjusting the clamp. Once you have this in line, you're ready to start the auto alignment process. We are using the 180L layout station in auto alignment. What we have it set up on is a mini tripod to allow for any difference in the soil. Now we're going to go ahead and start the arm process. We're going to activate the auto alignment feature by pushing the target for 2.5 seconds. The red lights are blinking. Let us know the auto alignment is started. Remember, we have an auto alignment range of 150 feet. The receiver has a range of 300 feet with an accuracy of 3/32 of an inch. Once we get our tone and our green light, we know that we're square and in line. We're about 1/4 inch away. Once the second beep starts and the target shuts off, we're ready to move the receiver. Now we're going to place the concrete receiver bracket right over the form. What you want to do is align your receiver to the inside of the footing board. just by adjusting the concrete bracket. Once you have it locked into place, we're going to start to move the concrete footing that way. We have a directional arrow on the receiver telling me which way to go. Once we have a green light, you're set. Now we're going to loosen up the bracket and head down to the next footing board. Someone could be driving a stake right now. This is the fastest and most efficient way to frame a footing. Let's go down to the next section now. It was that fast to establish our footing boards. We're in line, we have a perfect 90. Of a distance of over 300 feet with an accuracy of 3/32 of an inch. That makes this layout station the fastest, most efficient layout system on the market today. Now that we've established our 90 degrees, you could fall back with your layout station and turn on your horizontal mode to start setting grade and elevation. Turn on your horizontal beam, attach your receiver to a grade rod. And now you could go along and mark all your stakes and get your elevation set, making this a multi-function tool and very efficient.